Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of NEBO Unboxed. My name's Jason and today we are unboxing the Transcend 1500 headlamp and work light by NEBO. The Transcend 1500 is a powerful, rechargeable headlamp that easily transitions to a work light. It measures 3 3/4 of an inch wide and just over 1.5 inches deep. Let's get it out of the package and take a look. As you open the Transcend 1500 headlamp and pull out the plastic tray, you'll find the head strap, USB-C charging cable, and user manual below. We'll get to those in a moment, but first let's finish unboxing the light itself. To remove the light, separate it from the tray by firmly gripping and pulling them apart. Okay, so here it is, the Transcend 1500 headlamp. Its 5 light modes, adjustable head strap, and magnetic base make it the perfect companion for hands-free lighting for a variety of tasks. The Transcend 1500 headlamp comes attached to its head strap mount. You'll notice that on one side of the light is the power button, and on the other side is the magnetic base that unscrews to reveal the rechargeable battery. Let's start by opening the battery compartment by turning it counterclockwise. Discard the paper that reads remove. That's just included to keep your Transcend 1500 from being turned on while in transit. Once this is out, feel free to remove and discard the sticker on the base of the light as well. While we have the battery compartment open, let's look at how to charge your Transcend 1500. When you flip the battery around, you'll see the charging port. Plug in the included USB-C cable directly into the battery and plug the other end into your charging block. While charging, the LED indicator on the rechargeable battery will shine red. When the Transcend 1500 is fully charged, the color will change to green. Unplug the charging cable and flip the battery back, positive and down, and replace the battery compartment cover. Okay, so now it's time to take a look at the power of the Transcend 1500 headlamp and work light. Notice the orange rotary mode select dial has marks for high, medium, and low modes. Start by selecting the desired mode and then press the power button once to turn on the light. When high mode is selected, the light is up to 750 lumens with a runtime of 4 hours, shining at a distance up to 91 meters or 298 feet. Rotate the mode select dial to M for medium mode, which is up to 300 lumens for 5.5 hours of runtime, shining at a distance of up to 58 meters or approximately 190 feet. Rotate the mode select dial once more to L for low mode, which is 30 lumens for 28 hours, shining at a distance of up to 18 meters or 58 feet. The Transcend 1500 gets its name from the lumens of the turbo mode. You can activate turbo mode by pressing and holding the power button from any mode or even while the light is off. This shines a brilliant 1500 lumens for 30-second bursts at a distance up to 129 meters or 423 feet. The final light mode is strobe, which can be activated by a double tap from any other mode or while the light is off. In strobe mode, the Transcend 1500 shines at 750 lumens with a runtime up to 4 hours, shining at a distance up to 91 meters or 298 feet. It's also important to note that when in strobe or turbo mode, a single press of the power button will turn the light off. Double tap or press and hold will activate the corresponding modes when in strobe or turbo modes. It's also helpful to note that the power button doubles as the battery indicator. While the light is on, a solid orange indicates that the charge is greater than 25%. When it gets below 25%, the power button will flash. Now that we've walked through the 5 light modes, let's get to the functionality of the Transcend 1500. The elastic head strap is easy to attach to either side of the base. Move the adjustable clip to tighten or loosen the strap to fit your head. The Transcend 1500 headlamp is equipped with a 180-degree pivoting head, which enables you to point the light exactly where you need it. With its powerful magnetic base, the Transcend 1500 easily transitions to a hands-free work light for maximum versatility. There are a couple of additional features I'd like to mention about the Transcend 1500. It's waterproof with an IPX7 rating and impact resistant. Also, the LED in the Transcend 1500 has NEBO's standard expected minimum lifetime of 50,000 hours. Okay, so that's the Transcend 1500 headlamp and work light from NEBO. This versatile, powerful, USB-C rechargeable headlamp features a 1500 lumen turbo mode, a mode selector dial, and smart power control to seamlessly transition through the different light modes. Well, that's going to do it for this episode of NEBO Unboxed. Again, thanks for watching. I'm Jason, and I'll see you next time.